And welcome! Today's video is going to be for those of you who are not so experienced with DaVinci Resolve yet. Maybe you're switching from another editor, maybe you're new to video editing altogether, but the point is, you found DaVinci Resolve, you like it, you've edited your little sequence together, you don't know how to export it. There's no file export. It doesn't do what it's supposed to do. It doesn't make sense to you. Well, that's because it's not up here. Exporting in DaVinci Resolve happens on the Deliver page. So you go over to the Deliver page, you choose your video format, we'll do MP4, we're going to name it Test, and then you want to find a place for it, hit Browse, pick wherever you keep your videos. That's not where I keep my videos, but that's what we're going to be using for this. Choose your codec, your format, your resolution, you've got a whole bunch of options there, and then you can restrict your quality to a certain bit rate if you want to, but you don't have to, just automatic. Encoding profiles, keyframes, it's all right here. This is where you go to export in DaVinci Resolve. If you are uploading for YouTube, Vimeo, or any of these other things up here, you can just go right ahead and click on one of those, and it will get it all set up to that thing's favorite way, and you can even directly upload to YouTube from DaVinci Resolve. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and add to our render queue. We're going to start our render, and it's going to zip right through that, and we're good to go. That's it. Now if we go check our desktop, it will be there. Right there, test. Easy as pie. It just is in a little bit of a different spot. So I hope this helped you out, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.